Okay, careless. First, the leprechaun. I'd say it's pretty good because it has piercing and it can boost your range.
And it's 20k DPS.
I put it very bad. It just helps in the starting waves. Large turkey speaker man.
Used to be my old favorite.
Not too bad. Ghost cameraman. Better than the large turkey. But not, it has so little range. Basic speaker man, of course, is the worst. Secret agent, well, it's like a last resort. I'll say it's not bad.
Jinx. Fine.
DJ speaker man. Boosts, say not too bad. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree.
This guy
is bad.
It's very expensive.
Worse. Bad. Bad is better.
Okay, hyper. You know where it's going. Boom. This is worse because it doesn't give you that much money.
Yeah.
This too.
This is better.
Next scientist is pretty good, but it's also bad. So I give it not too bad. Because it's kind of also slow. His cameraman staying with bad. But this guy does 34k DPS. At least it's stunting, so it's better than these two. So I say not good, not bad. Ranger Speaker Man used to be our best unit. So we got something else, so I say bad.
Yeah.
This guy was my first Titan. But it's also very bad. Worse than the Ranger Speaker Man. So I say worse. And this is better. Not too bad.
Yeah.
Car Speaker Man.
Yeah.
Worst of all time. It's not even that good and very expensive for noobs.
Cool down.
Bunny Titan Bunny Man. Deserves to be here. Also, Leprechaun needs to be here.
Sneaky Speaker Man.
Good for the starting.
No. Yes.
What? Okay. Scary Speaker Man, also good. Large laser.
No, up.
Yeah. No, yeah. This is the perfect spot. Yeah. This guy, oh my gosh, he's really bad. No, this guy.
It's useful. I used to like it.
Okay, I'm gonna put him in worse. Cameraman, worst of all time. Speaker helicopter, very bad. Spider TV, should I care about the rarity? I'm just gonna put it in pretty good.
No. It sucks. Oh. You go there, buddy.
Camera spot, 9k DPS, not that bad. Going into not too bad. This large cameraman is very bad. Oh, this camera repair drone is very fast, so I may put in pretty good.
Yeah.
This, what do you call this? Blade one? Dual blade?
Bunny bat.
Yeah. This large bunny man.
Pretty good.
No, not too bad. Bat Speaker Man, one of your favorites.
Oh, I used to love
not too bad?
Wait. Yeah. You go here, buddy.
Turkey Speaker Man.
Oh,
this guy.
Let's start in there.
Yeah. Katana Speaker Man, also the best starting unit. This guy is expensive, so we take a few damage, so I put it here. Shield Cameraman, not too shabby. Rocket Cameraman,
wait,
I put it here.
Best Speaker Man. Oh, sorry. Killer TV Woman. Hey. Okay. Oh,
Wait. It is rare. So it's pretty good.
No, good.
Okay. Speaker repair drawer. Oh my gosh.
Best of all time.
Yeah, I guess so.
Wait.
But the eyebrow is still good.
Okay, Egg Launcher Man.
Not too bad.
No,
Not
he's
bad.
very good. He's kind of good.
A Dark Speaker Man. This is not the jetpack one. It's worse. Yeah, it should be worse. Titan Prison Man needs to be my best unit. So I say the 39 DPS is not that bad. So it goes here. Scientist here, man.
Oh, yay. Not bad.
Yeah. 10k DPS. Wait, look. This is just like a upside down stair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bad. Oh my gosh, this guy's good. Amy. This guy deserves to be a winner. Titan Speaker Man stays here. Easter Bunny stays here. Titan Clover Man, one of my favorite units. Pretty good or best of all time?
Very good.
Nah, it's best of all time.
No.
It places lucky blocks.
Nobody cares about
Blocks.
Okay.
No, it's.
This guy's a healing hero. Bruce. And wait, no. This you place. Yeah, you deserve that. And
worst of all
man.
time. It's so expensive.
Yeah.
It's because Spider is there. Okay. Blue laser gun camera. 10k DPS. 7,500. I put it here. Not too bad.
Wait.
Medic. Not bad. Titan Clockman. The time stop ability is pretty good, so I say good. Worst of all time.
Why? No, this kind of good.
Sinister Cameraman.
Boom.
Not bad.
No.
Yeah, not bad. It needs to be not bad. Corrupted. 25k DPS. Used to be the best unit. Sight. It deserves to be good. Drill Man. Not bad. It has a good range. Worst of all time. Glitcher. Not bad. Chef TV Man. Good. Put him in good. No, this guy's OP now. He got a buff. Boom.
Okay. Now since the
Wait.
What?
Not.
It's
Yeah, it should.
yeah.
It should be there. Upgraded Titan Speaker Man.
Very bad. Escaping
It is better than the glitch, so yeah, put it there. Yeah, it deserves to be there. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Yeah, not too bad. This guy, put him up there. Where is he? Okay. Not bad, yeah. Not bad. Put it. Okay, done. An answer.
Oh.
Yeah, I just realized. Okay, an answer should be Where is he? Not too bad.
Yeah. Wait.
Dancy's becoming. No, thank you. It's really at worst.
Rose.
Roseberry farm gives you better than the pumpkin farm. So here. Camera helicopter.
Used to be the favorite one, but
not too bad. Okay. The upgraded cameraman, also known as the UTC, used to be one of the best units, but now it's forgotten. Can you stop touching it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, where did I lose it? Okay, I say...
not touching it.
I upgraded Time TV Man. I calculated some stuff and it's actually better than the Hyper. So put it in front of Type.
Yeah. Wait.
Oh my, get him out of here.
This is kind of weird.
Okay. He got nerfed a lot actually. So I put it very bad.
Yeah.
Santa team, go up there. Go in front of the upgrade.
Santa?
Nothing could be possible. Almost. Okay, DJ team also going up. Yeah. No. What's he doing here? He needs to be here. Now let's speedrun this guy and go.
Wait, no, it's kind of.
Yeah, so go there. Hurry, we're speedrunning. Keep it good, star unit. No, put it in good. And upgrade time drama. Okay. Not before the Santa. The Santa is still the best unit. And Jetpack Nice. I never even seen this guy before.
What?
Not
then
bad.
I know. No. It's good.
Okay, just hurry up.
Toxicals. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Put it in the first of not bad. Whatever. TV moment.
Pretty good slow and how it was.
Green laser. Good, pretty good.
Okay. Minigun.
Yeah.
Wait.
Scientist cameraman. Too sharp.
Up.
I say pretty good because it's the second best money.
There is only 4 money.
Just put it. Oh my gosh. Jetpack cameraman. What's your TV? No, he needs to be not bad.
Wait.
Chill, mate. Hunter cameraman. Where did he put it? Okay. Needs to be at 80 range. But yeah, not too bad. Engineer. Pretty good.
Wait.
Elf cameraman.
Hey, yo, go. Good.
Yeah. Shotgun.
Very good for the start away.
Not very. Okay. Surveillance cameraman. Poof. Okay, I don't even know what it's doing.
Wait.
Damn it.
Wait,
We have again 50 seconds left before it ends, I believe. This guy used to be good, but very bad. Hidden Snowman used to be one of the best.
Yeah, here we go.
Carol, worst of all time. Or maybe, boom, beats the Santa. Wait, beat it. Oh. Okay, good.